Style, safety, innovation, inside and out. Rugged yet refined. Sophisticated yet fun. It's everything you want, wrapped in an elegant SUV design. Your journey begins with the Hyundai Santa Fe. The Santa Fe offers striking style from every angle. Up front, the grille showcases a balanced design with a T-shaped lighting signature, featuring LED daytime running lights and LED headlights. A sharp side character line runs along the side of the vehicle, giving it a muscular stance, which flows into the unique LED taillight design that is connected end-to-end across the rear tailgate by a center reflector strip. LED side mirror turn signal repeaters help clearly indicate your intention to make a turn to those around you. Amplifying the dramatic impact are 20-inch alloy wheels. Pack up for your journey with ease. Unlock and open the Smart Power liftgate without searching for your keys. Want to keep your valuables safely out of view while going to grab a bite after a day of shopping? Slip them into the hidden underfloor storage tray. 60/40 split-fold rear seats and a remote folding second row give you versatility and an abundance of space. With rear seats folded, enjoy 2,014 liters of total cargo capacity. Unlock the door and experience the modern, luxurious interior. The floating center console design sets the stage. A shift-by-wire layout replaces the traditional gear shifter configuration with an intuitive button design, which offers a clean design and maximized storage space. Tap the high-definition, full-color 10.25-inch touchscreen to access a wealth of features, including the navigation system. Time to make yourself comfortable. Sink into the quilted Napa leather seats and retrieve your stored seating and side mirror settings at the press of a button. The 8-way power driver's seat also includes a power extendable cushion for additional leg support. Your co-pilot can enjoy personalized comfort too with the 8-way power adjustable seat. And with the dual-zone automatic climate control, the driver and passenger can adjust the temperature to their own preferences. No compromises needed. Heated front seats, rear seats, and a heated steering wheel surround you in warmth. When the weather heats up, you'll appreciate the refreshing feeling of ventilated front seats. Both front and rear passengers have amazing views through the panoramic sunroof. Rear sunshade blinds offer up some shade and privacy. And with 12 speakers throughout the cabin, everyone gets to enjoy their favorites on the Harman Kardon premium audio system. The Santa Fe is packed with intuitive technology, starting with the large 12.3-inch full digital gauge cluster and head-up display. Important driving information, like if someone is in your blind spot, navigation directions, and speed are all projected within your line of sight. For added convenience, rain-sensing wipers will automatically turn on if raindrops are sensed. The surround view monitor gives you a 360-degree view in high definition projected on the touchscreen display. Parking becomes so much easier, safer, and visible. Let's talk about your smartphone. Get access to those apps you can't live without thanks to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. For added convenience, use the wireless charging device for your smartphone if the battery is low. Stay connected to your Santa Fe with our BlueLink connected vehicle system. It provides you with access to a wealth of convenient features like remote start and remote door locking, all from your smartphone. Another great convenient feature is the Remote Smart Parking Assist. Using the key fob, you can remotely move the Santa Fe in or out of tight spaces so that it is easier to enter the vehicle. At the core of the Santa Fe is the superstructure, made of our own advanced high-strength steel to deliver exceptional stiffness and strength. In the event of a collision, the superstructure helps protect occupants inside the vehicle by absorbing harmful energy and redirecting it away from the passenger compartment. The Santa Fe surrounds you with a suite of our advanced Hyundai SmartSense safety technologies, like forward collision avoidance assist. It warns you of a potential collision with a vehicle, pedestrian, or cyclist. If you don't stop in time, emergency braking can be applied. Making a left turn at a busy intersection also becomes safer with junction turning detection. If you drift outside your lane, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist will alert you with audible and visual cues. The system can also gently correct your steering to help you remain within your lane. And lane following assist can assist your steering to help keep the Santa Fe continuously centered between the appropriate lane markings. Adaptive cruise control is great for longer trips. The system adjusts your speed to keep a preset distance from the vehicle ahead and even works in stop-and-go traffic. And our highway driving assist is like your co-pilot. It helps keep you centered in the lane and traveling at a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. It also can help you keep to the speed limit, adjusting your pace based on GPS and highway data. Change lanes with confidence thanks to Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist. If the system detects a vehicle in your blind spot, it will alert you and can also apply gentle braking to deter an unsafe lane change. The Blind View Monitor also gives you another perspective. Next up, features that are game-changing for navigating busy parking lots. Parking Distance Warning provides an audible alert with increasing frequency if the system detects the vehicle approaching too close to an object behind or in front. Back into a spot with even more confidence thanks to Parking Collision Avoidance Assist Reverse. If it senses that you are not going to brake in time, it can automatically apply the brakes so you do not hit the object behind you. Also looking out for you is Rear Cross-Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist. The system warns you if a vehicle is approaching from either side, as well as the direction it's approaching from, and can apply braking if no action is taken. Heading out for a long drive? Driver Attention Warning monitors signs of driver fatigue and can suggest taking a break. Another innovative feature is Safe Exit Assist, which will lock the rear doors if a vehicle is detected approaching from behind in the adjacent lane to help prevent rear passengers from exiting the vehicle into oncoming traffic, even after the vehicle ignition is turned off. And Ultrasonic Rear Occupant Alert is designed to help prevent children and pets from being accidentally left behind. Ultrasonic sensors monitor the rear seats and sound the alarm, as well as send an alert to your smartphone through BlueLink when movement is detected. One more advanced safety feature is High Beam Assist. No need to constantly turn your high beams off and on. The system will do it for you. It detects whether there is oncoming traffic and toggles between high and low beams as necessary. Now let's talk driving dynamics. Under the hood, you have choices. The Santa Fe is equipped with 3 engines depending on which model you choose. There is the standard 2.5-liter GDI 4-cylinder engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. The SmartStream 1.6-liter turbo GDI 4-cylinder hybrid engine with 44.2 kilowatt electric motor for those with efficiency in mind. And the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivering 277 horsepower for those looking for the highest power output. Take on the conditions with confidence. Our H-Track all-wheel drive system lets you set the appropriate traction setting that best suits your driving environment. Simply rotate the dial to choose between 3 dedicated terrain modes: snow, mud, or sand. The Santa Fe also features Drive Mode Select. At the press of a button, find your preferred engine, transmission, and steering control settings. Choose between comfort, sport, smart, or eco depending on your engine choice. Get even more peace of mind on the road with our 5-year, 100,000-kilometer comprehensive limited warranty. And the assurance of our 5-year unlimited kilometer roadside assistance program. The Hyundai Santa Fe. Safety has never looked so good.